Hello, dear students. In this session, let us discuss about some aspects of classification, nomenclature, structure, aromaticity of the 5-membered and 6-membered rings containing one heteroatom, which we can call them as heterocyclic compounds. So, if we see definition tells something like this: cyclic compounds having at least one atom other than the carbon can be called as heteroatom, which may be like oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur in the ring can be termed as heterocyclic compounds. So, substances such as cyclic anhydrides, cyclic alkene oxides, lactones are not generally considered as heterocyclic because they are highly unstable, and also they change into open chain compound upon hydrolysis. So these are some of the examples what we can give for the heterocycles, which we classify under this. This is gamma butyrolactone. This contains oxygen. This is delta caprolactone. This is 3-butane lactam, and this is 6-hexalactam. These are the cyclic compounds, of course, but even though after containing the heteroatoms, they are not called as heterocyclic compounds. So these are some of the examples of the cyclic compounds like oxacyclopropane, which we call it as ethylene oxide, azacyclopropane, thiacyclopropane, oxycyclopentane, azacyclopentane, thicyclopentane, oxacyclohexane, azacyclohexane, and thicyclohexane. So heteroatom in the ring in place of carbon does not alter the strain relationship significantly. So most of the heterocyclic compounds are stable, and those are having at least 5 or 6-membered rings. Therefore, heterocyclic compounds may be defined as 5 or 6-membered ring compounds . So, therefore, the heterocyclic compound may be defined as 5 or 6-membered rings with at least one heteroatom like nitrogen, sulfur or oxygen as a ring member, and they are relatively stable and exhibit aromatic character. And these aromatic heterocyclic compounds are abundant availably in all plant animal products and form 1/2 of the natural organic compounds like alkaloids, drugs, dyes, proteins, enzymes, etc., which are the important representatives of this class of compounds. So, definition can be given like this: heterocyclic compounds are cyclic compounds which contains one or more atoms of their elements along with the carbon atoms. So, definition of heteroatom can be given like: heteroatoms are those which contain one atom other than the carbon, such as nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, oxygen, etc. So, if we take this, this is one of the important example of a heterocyclic compound, which we call it as a quinine, and this is a chloroquine. So, as you know, quinine is an anti-malarial natural drug isolated from the bark of cinchona tree. Chloroquine is a synthetic anti-malarial drug which has a quinoline system and found in quinine. A parasite resistance, no problem. So this is one more heterocyclic compound, that is ranitidine, is one of the biggest selling drugs in the history. It is an H2 receptor antagonist and lowers stomach acid levels and used to treat stomach ulcers. So this is a ketorolac. So ketorolac is an analgesic and anti-inflammatory drug, and these are some of the indoles, which we call it the bioactive indoles: tryptophan, somatriptan, etc. So tryptophan is one of the essential amino acid and constitutes most of the protein. Somatriptan is a drug used to treat migraine and works as an agonist for 5-HT receptor for in CNS, central nervous system. 1,2-azoles, bioactive 1,2-azoles. This is a leflumonide, Silexib. So leflumonide inhibits pyrimidine synthesis in the body and used for the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis and psoriatic arthritis. So heterocyclic compounds can be usually classified based on their electronic structure and size of the heterocyclic ring present. So they can be classified like this. Starting from 3-membered rings, they may be classified as saturated and unsaturated depending upon the heteroatoms like nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur. Name can be given as azaridine, oxarine, thioarine, azarine, oxarine, thioarine. So these are the structures of the 3-membered, 3 saturated ones and 3 unsaturated. These are unsaturated ones, these are saturated ones. So 4-membered rings can be classified, again they can be given as azitidine, oxetane, thiatine, azate, oxate and thiate. So these are the saturated ones and these are the unsaturated ones. These are the 5-membered ring structures. They are the unsaturated one, these are the saturated one, these are the unsaturated and these are the saturated one. Pyrrolidine, oxolane, thiolane, and among unsaturated pyrrole, furane and thiopine depending upon the heteroatom present. So 6-membered can be given, these are the saturated and these are the unsaturated: piperidine, oxane, thiane, pyridine, pyran, thiopran. And 7-membered ring can be azapine, oxapine, thiopane, azipine, oxipine and thiopine. These are the saturated one, these are the unsaturated one depending upon the heteroatom like nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur. Similarly here also structure can be given. And these are the some of the fused ring heterocycles. So one of the example is quinoline, indole, isoquinoline, okay, benzofurone, benzothiophene, benzothiopine and benzoquinoline, etc. So this is one more condensed ring system which we call benzoimidazole. And if we want to give the name, the systematic nomenclature system is used for naming the 3 to 10-membered monocyclic heterocycles of various degree of unsaturation containing one or more heteroatoms. So it specifies the following character: it specifies the ring size, the nature, the type of the heteroatom and the position of the heteroatom. So heteroatom can be like oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, phosphorus, arsenic, silicon and germanium. So number of electrons are 2, 3, 2, etc. Depending upon that, the prefixes can be oxa, aza, thia, selena, tellura, phospa, arsa, sila and germa. So when 2 or more of the same heteroatoms are present, then the prefixes di, tri, etc. can be used. Example: dioxa, diatha, diaza for 2 oxygen, 2 sulfur and 2 nitrogen atoms respectively. If 2 or more different heteroatoms are present, then their order of citation starts with the heteroatom of the higher groups in the periodic table. If the same group in the lower atomic number, thus the order of reference will be oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen, phosphorus, silicon, etc. That is thiaza, S, oxathia, O, then S, etc. The size of the monocyclic ring can be denoted by stem like IR, ET, OL, IN, EP, OC, O, ON, ON or OR, EC for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 membered rings respectively. The numbering of the ring starts from the heteroatom or the substituents. If the heteroatoms are different, then the numbering starts from one atom which comes first in the order of the preference given in the above rule. The degree of saturation is indicated in the suffix as shown partially in the hydrogenated compound and are indicated by prefixes like dihydro, tetrahydro, etc. or by prefixing the name of the parent unsaturated compound with H preceded by the number indicating the position of unsaturation, position of the saturation. So stems can be given like this: 3-membered unsaturation IRENE, IRANE for saturation. 4-membered unsaturation is ETE, for saturation it is ETANE. For 5-member it is OLE, for saturation it is OLANE. So 6-member it is INE, for saturation is ANE, INE, INANE, ININE, INANE. 7-membered EPINE, EPANE. 8-membered OCINE, OCANE. 9-membered ONINE, INANE. For 10-membered it is EQINE or CANE. So you can give the corresponding names by taking this example. It is oxarane for 3-membered with oxygen as an heteroatom. It is thiarane. It is for 3-membered yes heteroatom. It is azardine, which is with NH as a heteroatom. And it is for unsaturated, that is diazarane, 1-azarane and oxyazardine, etc. This is oxyetane, O 4-membered ring, thiaetane 4-membered yes as a heteroatom, NH which is azatidine, etc. So like this we can give the name accordingly using the rules. For furane it is oxole, for thiopene it is thiol, it is pyrrole, it is 1,3-dioxalane, it is tetrahydropurine, it is pyrrolidine, azacyclopentane, etc. So these are some of the examples related to 5-membered unsaturated systems, where these are an NH bearing heteroatom, these are oxygen along with nitrogen. So these are 6-membered ring system with oxygen as a heteroatom. These are also some of the examples of 6-membered ring with 2 heteroatoms. This is pyrimidine, this is pyrazine, it is pyridazine, this is pyridine, and this is morpholine. This is quinoline, this is a condensed system, it is isoquinoline, this is indole. So rules that have to be considered while giving the name of the heterocyclic rings can be given like this. The names of the monocyclic ring compounds can be derived by prefix indicating the nature of heteroatoms present and introducing or omitting A where it is necessary. One example is azardine and oxetane, and when 2 or more of the same heteroatoms are present, then the prefixes can be di or tri can be used. This can be given as 1,3-dioxalane. If the heteroatoms are different, then they are named in the order O, S, N, P, S, I by combining the prefixes with the ending in the order of the preference. This is N is there, S is there, this is thiazine, this is O, N is there, this is 1,2,3 oxadiazole. The state of hydrogenation is indicated in the suffix or by the prefixes dihydro, tetrahydro, or by prefixing the name of the parent unsaturated compound with symbol H preceded by the number indicating the position of the saturation. So these are some of the examples.